In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and modify images using the Insert and Picture Format tabs. Let's start with getting your image into the document. With your file open, head to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. From there, choose Pictures. You'll be prompted to pick where your image is coming from. If it's saved on your computer, choose the option for your device and browse to the file. If you're using stock imagery or an online source, select the appropriate option, then search or navigate to the image you want. Once you've selected it, confirm your choice, and the image will appear right in your document or slide. Now that the image is placed, click on it to select it. As soon as it's selected, you'll see the Picture Format tab appear on the ribbon. This tab is your control center for making the image look exactly the way you want. If the photo looks a little dark, washed out, or blurry, open the Corrections options. Here you can fine-tune sharpness and brightness to fix common lighting issues. A small tweak usually goes a long way. Next, explore colors. This lets you adjust saturation and tone, or apply a recolor style to better match your document's theme. Aim for a look that complements your text rather than competing with it. For a bit more visual polish, open Effects. You can add shadows for depth, reflections for a glossy look, or soft edges for a subtle finish. Effects are most effective when used lightly. Think enhancement, not distraction. To control how big the image appears, you can drag a corner handle to resize. Dragging from a corner keeps the proportions balanced so the picture doesn't look stretched. If you prefer precise measurements, use the height and width boxes in the size group on the Picture Format tab and type exact values. Consistent sizing helps your layout feel professional. Finally, decide how your image interacts with your text using text wrapping. Choose square or tight to let the text flow neatly around the edges, which is great for articles and reports. Top and bottom keeps the text above and below the image with some breathing room. If you're creating a design-heavy page, behind text places the image as a background element, while in front of text puts it above everything else. Select the option that keeps your content clear and easy to read. That's it. Insert your picture through the Insert tab, select it, and use the Picture Format tools to adjust corrections, colors, effects, size, and text wrapping. With these controls, your images will look clean, consistent, and perfectly integrated.